You reach for typeof to check an object's type, and TypeScript just stares back blankly. Typeof works beautifully for primitives, string, number, boolean, symbol, and big int. But pass it any object, even a well-typed interface, and you just get back the string object. It can't tell a user from a product. That's typeof's hard limit. That's where custom type guard functions come in. You write a function that inspects an object's shape, checking for specific properties, discriminant fields, or structural patterns, and returns true if the object matches a specific type. This makes them essential for union types, API responses, and anywhere objects share an ambiguous structure. Take a union of cat and dog. Both are objects, so typeof returns object for both. Instead, you write isCat, a function that checks if the meow property exists on the value using the in operator. If it does, you know you have a cat. The magic is the return type annotation, pet is cat. This is called a type predicate, and it uses the is keyword. When the function returns true, TypeScript narrows the type in every branch that follows, giving you full autocomplete and type safety. No more manual casting. Use custom type guards with the is keyword whenever typeof falls short on objects, and let TypeScript narrow types for you automatically. Follow for more TypeScript tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.